Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. That website pay you Litecoin to your Faucetpay, and instantly and free. The minimum withdrawal is very low. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos too. Okay, this is the website. This website name is Best-Shopme, and this website pay you Litecoin to your Faucetpay, and if you have Express Crypto, pay you Express Crypto to your wallet too. Okay, and this is one of the best website to claim your USD dollar from here. Okay, and I have this much energy. I share with you how you can work with energies, and this much is my balance. I earn this much because I buy energy to show you something about the energies. Okay, right now you can how you can log in here. Okay, just I log out my account. This website link available in description too, and this is all about this website. This much USD dollar people earn from this website, and this is the withdrawal the people get, and this is the all cryptocurrency this website support. Okay, first go to registration and put your email, username, password, confirm password, and solve this captcha. Click this one and click register. You can register yourself. I have to log in because I have already account. Just I show you one thing else, is the payment proof. This is the all payment proof the people get the Litecoin from this website. This is this much USD dollar, this much USD dollar Litecoin this website get from this website, and this is for Express Crypto too. And this website under person working, under person paying website, and this is the one of the best website that I share with you with the Litecoin. Okay, just put your email and password and just solve this captcha and just click login. Alright, now I'm in here, and this is all about the level. You can reach your level and you can earn this much energy, and the minimum withdrawal is 0.005 USD dollar. This is very low payment, and you can first go to referral, and you can refer your friends to come join this website. You can contest the weekly contest. You can go, and this is the all weekly contest. This is the referral load board. This person have this much referral, and 3 level referral this person have, and this much this person earn from this website. This is very low, but if you work much more you can earn much more. Okay, and the next one is achievements. You can get your achievements if you watch 7 BTC hats. Right now I can get my achievements. You can buy this much lottery ticket, you can get your achievements. You can complete these 7 short links, you can get achievements, earning dollar, and the energy you can earn. Okay, the next one is auto-faucet. Auto-faucet, about that you need energy. Okay, you can see I have 157 energy right now. This one pay me in my balance. Every reloading, every 1 minute, this website pay me this much dollar instantly in my balance in here. Okay, in my balance. And if you want to this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Crypto or Express Crypto, sorry, in here you need to make one Express Crypto link to making in the description. and this is all cryptocurrency available in here. Just copy your Express Crypto wallet. Come here, go to your profile, paste in here. Okay, paste your Express Crypto wallet in here. I have already and just change it to Express Crypto. Okay, this is one of the best. If you go to auto-faucet right now, you can click all of these, and this website pay you all of these. Every one coin pay you this much Satoshi. Bitcoin Cash 1 Satoshi, Wave this much, bonus this much, Dash, Digibyte, Dutch, Ethereum, Lisk, Litecoin pay you this much. Okay, this is all things you can earn from this website, and this is one of the best way. And this is the price. Okay, the prices of the this amount of the any of this. Okay, I just wait 70 seconds, 50, 40, then I show you this website pay me or not. Okay, okay, this is reloading the page, and this website pay me instantly in my Express Crypto. This is my Express Crypto. You can count down. This is 2280. Just I reload the page. The timing was be changed. Okay, this is the all withdrawal this website sent me, but Bitcoin Binance is not available. The balance, and Litecoin didn't have balance. ADA is didn't have balance, and you can see the energy is little bit down, and this will be send you every 1 minute instantly to your Express Crypto. If you work with this website, you can earn Express Crypto money too in here. Okay, this is very easy. Just open it and wait. This will be loaded and completed, and you can earn much more from here too. Okay, this is one of the best if you want to earn Express Crypto. If you want to earn your main balance, go to profile, change it to main balance. Okay, the next one is the buying energy. Okay, every energy is this much is the price. Okay, 0.000401. okay, every one energy is 401, and you can buy it. The next one is the manual faucet. Manual faucet is very easy. Pay you 0.0003025 cent of dollar, and 100 time claim per day, and every 5 minutes you can claim. Okay, and just solve the capture and just click it. Okay, and wait few seconds. This website pay you instantly in your balance. Okay, right now you can see one is down, and go to dashboard. You can see your balance reach it up. Okay, and that was easy. The next one is the short links. Short links pay you this much dollar. Okay, no energy, didn't pay you energy. You can buy energy for yourself. Okay, I every night I come here buy energy and put it in my auto-faucet. Okay, because this will be pay me much more. Okay, if the price going up, I can withdraw from Express Crypto to Faucetpay. If this will be reach it in here, I will be able to withdraw. Okay, I can withdraw all of these cryptocurrency from here. Okay, right now okay, now I go to this one. I share with you all of these, the manual faucet, the short links. You can complete the short links. Okay, you can earn this much USD if you complete. The next one is the PTC ads. You can watch the all 7 ads, and you can earn achievements, and you can earn this much USD. Okay, just I pause the video, I watch all of these ads. Okay, this is the last one. Just wait 6 seconds, and I solved this capture. I earn it the money. And this all now available ads in here. Just you can go to achievements, you can earn your free achievements too. In here you can see, just I claim my free achievement too, and I go to dashboard first to show you. You can see this is right now my balance, and this is my energy, and this is my level. Reach it 87%, and if they reach it 30% of the XP I needed to reach it up. And right now I go to my manual faucet. I claim one time again, and I reached the minimum amount. I share with you the withdrawal. Okay, just I type no way, and just click, and go to claim one short link, because I didn't make my minimum withdrawal amount. Just I go for these, just I click one short link, I complete FCLC short link. Okay, and just I click continue, and redirect into this link, solve this little capture. Okay, traffic light, just I click this one. Okay, wait 10 seconds. I wait 10 seconds. 9, 8. And then click get link. Okay, right now I earn my amount. I go to dashboard to show you. Okay, I reached the minimum amount for withdrawal. Okay, this is my withdrawal, and I go to my Faucetpay, open my Faucetpay, copy my Litecoin wallet address from deposit, copy it, and I come back in here, paste in here. Okay, and just I click withdrawal and wait few seconds. Okay, this is very fast withdrawing. This website sent me my amount, my Faucetpay, and this website pay you 100%. You can see this is the Litecoin this website sent me. Okay, and you can daily, you can earn maybe half of dollar from here, and you can withdraw it, and you can earn it energy. You can use energy too. This is all about the earning, and this is one of the best faucet website. You can claim your free manual faucet, and all of the faucet you can earn it. And I have one thing else, you can watch video. You can earn 10 energy and 2 XP just watching the video. Video is not too long video, just video game you can watch. Okay, this is one other best way. Okay, just I type that one and just click submit and wait few seconds. Okay, and just click view the video, and this website show me one video. This is the video. Okay, this is add video. You can watch it 5 seconds, 10 seconds, how much that you want. Okay, the ad is this much second. You can watch all of these. You can earn much more. If you want to escape this one, you can watch 5 seconds. That was great. Okay, 7, okay, 3, 2, 1, and the ad will be finished right now. You can now go to next. This will be pay you to your wallet 10 energy and 2 XP, and this much USD dollar added to your balance. Okay, this is another way you can earn it your free dollar from here. Watching video is one of the best way, because this will be pay you much more, and energy too, and you can reach it to your level very soon. And the next one is a lottery ticket. You can buy lottery ticket. This is the reward, 3 days until the lottery ticket launch it, and this is the balance the people want. The people will be earn. Okay, you can buy lottery ticket. One lottery ticket is this much USD. Okay, and offer walls is right now is locked because I reached level 5. This will be unlocked, and you can watch videos. You can earn it very soon. Okay, every 5 minutes you can watch another video. And that was all of these website. This website link available in description. You can participate with my referral link. If I reach the leaderboard, I will share with you some Litecoin with you all, and this is one of the best website I share with you. You can earn it, and you can easily make it your money free, and you can easily make it your free dollar every day. Okay, and you can make a express crypto account to make him much more money from that website. Okay, and the express account link in description too. And bye bye for now. This website link available in description. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning from the cryptocurrency. Bye bye.